Let's talk about the all-new RIDGID drum machine and SeeSnake Mini Pro unveiled at this year's WET Show. RIDGID's new drum machine is one that's sure to grace many a wish list upon its release. The 1.5 horsepower brushless DC motor spins at a whopping 240 RPMs, giving you enough drive to power through your day with ease. A real-time cable counter delivers the distance your cable has traveled and line measurements for quick assessment and feedback on the job. While the auto-feed technology feeds and recalls the cable at up to 22 feet per minute. This also leads to quicker tool-free drum changes as well as simple tool-free setup. The onboard FXP technology is capable of switching between battery power and DC adapter power to continuous all-day runtime, and with its maximum reach of 250 feet, you'll barely need to move. RIDGID's all-new drum machine will run you just over $5,000. Now, we all know how incredible RIDGID's SeeSnake line is when it comes to pipe inspection, and we hardly need to go into detail at just how fantastic the quality of the materials, picture, and camera are with RIDGID's products. What we will talk about, however, are the amazing new features on the brand new SeeSnake Mini. At just over $8,000, you'll get 200 feet of mid-stiff push cable, making it easy to navigate turns and power through long straight distances, and the 25mm self-leveling camera provides a high-quality, crystal-clear image the entire time, while being able to maintain its orientation and keep the image right side up at all times. TrueSense technology provides a two-way communication link between the camera sensors and a TrueSense monitor to send information, as well as providing access to high dynamic range video, or HDR. For superior clarity and maximum detail in the image, a TiltSense inclinometer will display the tilt of the camera's head right on the TrueSense monitor and also gives you the ability to pan and zoom digitally. A 512Hz FlexMiter sonde is able to locate and ping points of interest in the line using SeekTech or NaviTrack locators. Both of these incredible new machines from RIDGID launch in spring 2023 and are available for pre-order right now at Ohio Power Tool. So what are you still doing here? Go! Pre-order it. Hit the link in the description. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. What's the next word?